Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your password in the BestJobs application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you're done with that and you are in the home page, you should look at the bottom of your right corner and there you will see your profile. Press on it. And here in this page you can just press on account settings. And after that you can just select here the first option, which is password. And you have to enter here your current password that you use right now, your new password, and retype your new password, and just press the check mark symbol at the top of your right corner, and your new password will be saved. So pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.